Hello guys, how are you? In this video I am going to show you how to solve the 3 into 3 pyramid cube. And before we start this video I am going to tell something about this cube. Is that uh, there are 3 centers in each side of this cube. As you can see, this one and this one is the centers for this orange side, and these ones are known as the S pieces. However, these 3 are the corner pieces. And how will you detect them? You will detect them by 3 colors. Those pieces which has 3 colors are the corner pieces, and those pieces which has 2 colors on them are S pieces, and those pieces which has only 1 color on them, as you can see, like this or this or this, they don't have 2 colors. That means they are the centers. And as you can see, centers can be moved from its place, okay, as you can see, but the corners are still in their place, but you can move it like this, okay, but centers will move and the S pieces will also move. And by telling you these things, I am going to start my video about solving this 3 into 3 pyramid cube. And before I start this video, I am going to scramble it. There is there is little scramble about this pyramid cube, because you cannot scramble it much, as it does not have that much colors or sides on it. So I have done the scramble, and we will start by solving this base layer, okay. As you can see, in this 3 into 3 cube, what we did, we first solved the base layer, and then the second layer, and then the upper layer. In case of this 3 into 3 pyramid cube, we will do the same. We will first solve the base layer, okay, and I always start with the black one, okay. So how do you know which is the side for the black one? And we will detect it by the corner pieces. As you can see, if you suppose it was like this, if you take the corner piece, if you rotate the corner piece like this, and rotate the corner piece like this and this, but there is no black in this corner piece, okay, there is no black in this corner piece. Please note that there is no black in this corner piece. That means this is not the side for black one, okay. As you can know, if you take this side, there is black in 2 corner piece, but there is no black in this corner piece. That means this is also not the side for the black color, so we cannot match the black in here. So we will have to find another side for the black, okay. As you can see, if you turn this like this and this is our side for the black, okay. We can solve the black base here, and then we can match up each of the colors here. Red, as you can see, here will be also red colors, okay. Here will be the light green colors, and here will be the orange color. And this is how our first layer will be solved. And how we are going to do this? And first we need to solve the centers. As you can see, here is a center for the red, orange and light green. So what we have to do, we have to do is to take a black center here, okay. You can just simply do this and you will get a center like this, and then do this simply, and there you go, another center. Just rotate the corner like this, and then do the move like this again, and you'll get 3 of the centers, okay. So now we'll have to solve these S pieces, okay. These are the S pieces. So now, after solving those centers, you'll have to take the cube like this and find the right S for every side. As you can see, this S piece needs to go where? You all will know if you know the 3 into 3 cube. As you can see, this S piece goes between these two, as it is yellow and blue, and this on is also yellow and blue. So you can detect it from there also. As it is light green and black, it will go obviously in here, okay. So first we have to take it out like this, hold the cube like this, remove the S piece from its place like this, and then again insert it. Okay, now after removing it, take it to the front where it needs to be. Okay, as you can see, this piece needs to be here. Okay, as it is in my left side, I will apply a single algorithm. What is that? Up dash, left dash, up, left. If the black was in here, it was in my right side, then we would have just simply apply an algorithm reverse to that. And what was that? Up, right, up dash, right dash. Okay, and I will show you when it comes by. Okay, and now this piece needs to go here. So always you will have to take the pieces in the second layer. If you want to solve the first layer, you will have to take the S pieces into second layer like this. As the S piece in my second layer, I rotate it just like this, where it needs to go. Take it in front of those side. As it is red and black, this piece will go in here. Okay, as you can see, red and black, this piece needs to go here. So I have took this piece like this. If it was, suppose it was like in here, so I have to first took that piece in here, facing the black in our direction. Okay, if it was like this, the black is not in our direction, so it will not work. You will have to face the black in your direction. Okay, if you hold the cube like this in your front, the black will be in your direction. And now, as it is in your left side, as the black is in your left side, you will simply apply the algorithm. What is that? Up dash, up, left. And as you can see, this S piece is also solved. Now I will have to do these things, and the last S piece. So take it where it needs to be, in front of that side. It is already in here, the orange black, the orange and black. So this piece needs to be here. So I have taken it, suppose it was like this, it was in the behind, so I took it like this. Okay, and now I have to put it in here. So as you can see, the black is facing me, the black will go down and the orange will go here. So black is in my right hand, so in this case we will apply the right hand algorithm. And what is that? Up, right, up dash, right dash. And you will get a condition where your base layer is solved. Please look carefully, your base layer is solved. And after solving the base layer, we will solve the second layer. Okay, and after solving the second layer, it is completed. There is nothing much to do. And when you solve the second layer, you'll get a condition like this, where one of the S piece will match with its adjacent colors. If you take it like this, it does not match with its adjacent colors. As you can see, here is the light green, but in the opposite of the light green, here is light green, so it does not work. So this piece will not work, and this piece also will not work. Here is the orange, here is the orange, so opposite. As you can see, if you put the cube like this, it is opposite. Okay, the orange is on opposite hand, so it will not work. The color needs to be matched. If it was orange here, the orange side would be matched like this. However, you will get one of them in where the color will be same, one S piece in where the color will be same with this side. Okay, as you can see, the red is matched with the red, and the orange is matched with the orange. You will have to just, if it was like this, you will have to put it just like this in its rightful place and take it in your back side, and you will have to apply an algorithm like this. And what is this? Right dash, left, right, left dash. Okay, now as you can see, this piece has gone up from its place, and how to return in its rightful place we all know. As it is facing in our front in the left direction, simply apply the algorithm like this: up, left, up dash, up dash left, up left dash. Okay, and now you will all get a condition like this, where you'll find 2 headlights in each side and 3 centers will be solved. Okay, and from here on, how will you solve the cube? There is only one algorithm, and what is that? Match the centers with the centers. As you can see, the centers are matched. There are 2 headlights of the S pieces. Centers are matched, centers are matched, centers are matched. 2 headlights, 2 headlights, 2 headlights. So take any one in your front and then apply the algorithm simply like this. What is that? Right up dash, right dash, up dash, right up dash, right dash. And then if you are lucky, the cube will be solved. But sometimes you'll get this condition, you'll get another time. Okay, you'll get the same condition another time, where there will be 2 headlights in each side. So don't worry, you just apply the same algorithm again by what? By matching always the centers. And as you can see, the centers are matched. This one, and this one are the centers. In every side the centers are matched. So again put on the same algorithm. Okay, right up dash, right dash, up dash, right up dash, right dash, and your cube will be solved. Thank you guys. If you want to learn more about this 3x3 cube, and if you want to know the or learn the 5x5 cube, please comment in the description box. I will show you how to solve them. Okay, thank you guys.